Sembala bafethu umkhulu bafethu uyayazi into ayenzayo, must just relax. Iselected abadlali abaningi and ekade sabagcina boThapelo Maseko, abadlali abaningi abohlongwane, because mangabuya kwi World Cup noma kwi tournament you need a pool of players to choose from. What's the point of having a game or prepare and keeping the same lineup noma ugcina abadlali who has been proven before? What if lo mdlali lo gets injured? He didn't play uSbisi kula ma-camp o2, not because uSbisi uyabheda, it's because uSbisi is guaranteed indawo for sure. Williams is guaranteed indawo. For me, Williams wasn't even supposed to qala igame, but he did. He played Icon because I feel like he wants to replace Ungezana and he needed umdlali on a character Yangezana who's a bully kuma duels nasemoyeni, but yet akwazi ukudlala and Icon for me is showing ukuthi he can play. Sometimes amabhola afika la khona a defender engawaclear but adlale nearer, so he's coming right. So for me, there's no need to panic. He knows what he's doing bafowethu. Once wahamba siyomkhumbula, yazi ukuthi lo coach into engithanda ngayo uyangifanela noBarker. Into ayenzayo is transparency with ama players. It treats ama players with like umdlali akahlezi engazi ukuthi ngimephi nawe. He knows ukuthi okay mfowethu ngeke udlale kule tournament. Ngizokufonela zwane ngicela like owambona lapho coach oshoyo ukuthi umshishi ngendlela enza ngakhona ngiyanaye kwi World Cup. That is why ngimnika ama minutes, because ngifuna adlale, because he understands ukuthi team ni star. Uyohamba sithole labo coach aba arrogant abafuna ama players aziprove ukuthi hayi mina every player must prove himself njengoba eqina wayenza. So for me yofesi yomkhumbula once wahamba, uyazi umkhulu ubonile izolo, umbizile because ufuna ukubona and uyazi ukuthi ngeke sambe vele naye kwi World Cup. Mkhulu ngiyacela ke manje uyamazi, we don't need him. Nothing against him, but we don't need him bafowethu. Si right, nge-right. I think nomkhulu uyabona Jalen Adams made things simpler. Imidfield ibiphaselana, yenza ama-touch, control tempo ye-game, besikwazi ukwenza i-pass eya kwi-striker noma kwi-winger eqala emuva ya kwi-midfield edlule kumfukeng. And once number 10 wathola kakhulu ibhola, that means ukuthi team yethu imidfield yethu iya-function. Uphuma kotsheleni kwangena wena uzwane was not playing because ibhola ubengatholi. Le bhola tholile uMahopo wenze i-run and then uthola umshishe wenza i-cross kwaba whenever number 10 idlala far away ukuthola ibhola, this means imidfield yethu ayifunction kahle. Mkhulu uyambona, uyazi. I think kule World Cup it's a very very tough decision. You might say yeah umfana une experience okudlala phesheya, maybe he might face the same opponents. Yeah, ungasho njalo yena good, he gives us ama right, but I don't think ukuthi Foster must be dropped kwiBafana Bafana esiya naye kwi World Cup, but we cannot drop Reynas ahead of ngenxa yakhe. You cannot drop Mahopa. If bekuyangami ubeyoba ilhlakasisa, because I believe in him ukuthi usangasiza, but currently njengamanje okay le thing isho ngiyasiphikisa, he mustn't be dropped. Kodwa futhi akufanele abadlali abathize bakhethwe like babe ngaphezulu kwakhe. I-point is mkhulu siyambona unama capability wenza ama right, maybe he fights full, but it's not good enough ukuthi uReynas angaba ngaphandle. So bafethu my say is umkhulu knows, let's just give him a chance. Everything gonna be alright. Dango.